famous story that when the Zoroastrians were thrown out of their nation, today the nation is called Iran, they came to India, and they came to India in a ship. They landed, and there was one king. So the leader of these Zoroastrians, today we call them Parsis. So the leader of this Parsi, he sent a message to the local king that we have been driven out of our homeland, so kindly allow us to settle here. So this king was also very intelligent and he was also very wise. What he did, he sent a full glass of milk to this leader. And this leader, when this full glass of milk came to him, his associates, they were surprised that instead of giving us a clear answer that whether you are allowed to settle here or not, why has he sent us this full glass of milk? But this leader was also very wise. So he tasted the milk. It was just a plain milk. So what this leader did, he added a bit of sugar inside this glass of milk and sent it back. Now this king who had originally sent this full glass of milk, he also tasted it and he found the taste to be sweet. So he immediately said that yes, you Parsis, you Zoroastrians are allowed to be settled in India. Now this associate of this leader of Parsis, he asked his leader that what was the symbolism of this milk and adding sugar to it. So this leader said that by sending us a full glass of milk, this king wanted to tell us that see, there is no such place for you to be settled here because already we are very numerous, all the economic challenges that we are facing, etc. How can allow refugees to be settled here? Because that way they will be taken, they will take away the resources which are needed for the local population. So what I did, I added a bit of sugar into them. What is the symbolism of that? That we will mix ourselves within your population without creating any disturbance, without creating any disruption, and we will enrich your society. We will enrich your nation. So, king, when he tasted the milk, he realized the importance of this symbolism, this iconography, and he allowed them to stay. So, see,